Hey, this is 7689 Whittle Road. It's a Macon, Georgia address, but it's a Monroe County listing. It's over 2 acres. It is peaceful, tranquil, gorgeous house. Let me show you inside. Gorgeous updates inside the house. Everything is painted beautiful neutral colors. The kitchen's been updated with solid surface counters, gorgeous backsplash, stainless steel appliances. There are 4 bedrooms, 2 are downstairs, 2 are upstairs, and there's a bonus upstairs. Now that you've seen the inside, let me take you outside. The backyard here at Whittle Road is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful big pool with a diving board. You hardly ever see that anymore. You have a louvered cover over the patio that works with a remote control. There is a wired workshop, a playhouse, a patio. You've got it all here. I'm Laura Bechtel with Sheridan, Solomon & Associates. Please give me a call at 478-461-7587 to see this Whittle Road property today.
Hey, she gets really upset about it. Boy, bring it to me.
Good job.
Bring it to me.
Good job.
Come here, boy. Good boy.
Then you're gonna shake, aren't you?